Why would I lie? It makes no sense. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I even thought of taking my life, cause it seems like no one cares.
This was a start with Benjamin. This was a start. You go Obeah then.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed good morning, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds the world in the best of health. Blessed Sunday, my brothers and sisters, kings and queens, lovers and haters. But don't know. Yes, man. I love to say, no, right across the board, peace and love. So I'm there on the journey to football. Yes, I haven't done a Sunday match for months since I've been here with the big C. You know what I mean? So now, yeah, I had to come off my games. But that was my first game back. You know what I mean? It's going to be rough for me still because I'm kind of rusty. Well, I've done midweek games, night game, which is more professional, but this is a Sunday football. I don't know all know Sunday football or Sunday football, but the man them will go party and the pub man them went on the pub, you know. No disrespect to no one, but they do get some good footballers who play semi-pro who have come out from injuries, run out Sunday, and you know what I mean? You get a little sharpness, and also the team them is sharp, recruit 1 and 2 players for playing at somebody's name. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so big up all the footballer them. Yeah, so the viewers and subscribers in this episode is about robbery. See, one at Jamaica and one at Trinidad. Big up my Trinidad peeps, I mean, everyone, big up yourself. See, give thanks to the visuals, Papa. Yeah, man. Don't know anything you know out there if you can help Lion Foot TV to excel. Yeah, man, your support and thoughtfulness is appreciated. See? Yeah, man, so any newscast, any information. And if you'd like to share your story to link me up, see? But my viewers and subscribers, before I make see the robbery, I don't know how to pay the bills. Yeah, man.
Yes, this is your boy Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Earth, 48 Right Lane, Peckham. Big up Lion Foot TV. What you
yeah,
say?
Man.
Lion Foot TV.
We say we're there with the natural herbs, you know?
Yeah.
How you say?
But, so we have some herbs there, you know? Guinea hen weed. This is pepper elder, Guinea hen weed. You understand? Come and get your herbs. We have all the type of herbs. We have your sea moss, your Irish moss, your sorrel. Sorrel there for you. Cane juice.
Yeah, man.
You
Natural
understand?
cane juice, you know?
Come back
good for your
now.
digesting system and give you a lot of energy, you know?
King Kiliba from Gambia. Good for your circulation. You understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Round leaf fern, you know? Good for anything, any mucus you have on your chest. Yeah, man. I hit this, you know?
And this one, yeah, baobab. 6 times antitoxin, them glue 6 times potassium, 6 times vitamin C, offering 50 heart healthy, 5 calcium, more magnesium than coconut water, and 66% more iron than spinach. Yeah. You're a baobab. Come and get your baobab right here, right lane, Peckham. You understand? Bless up the baobab, you know?
Yeah, man.
I just over there.
Maroon,
and big up Lion Foot TV. For life from Peckham.
Lion Foot.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man,
stay strong.
Right foot, you know?
Alright, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here. That shows you care. Royal Maroon Herbs. Go and check them out 48 Peckham Riley. That's what I say? Yeah, man, them have all the herbs for your medical, well, for your health need. You see what I say? Yeah. Now my viewers and subscribers, I'm one part of Jamaica in the country, the farmer them. You know when you plant your food and you wait for months and weeks with beer and then you go into the bush ready for go chop it down and bring it for go harvest and sell or eat for your family them and you see it. It's not a nice feeling, so watch where I go.
Early this morning.
Let me tell you something, the boy I fish around.
You caught me banana!
Look at them, Cutty. Look at the boy. Look, man. I'm going to see that cut, man. I don't see that. He cut the banana. We have to go tell Tati that they cut the banana. Jesus. They cut it. They cut the banana. What kind of people are there, man? They cut the banana. Let this water start you. Let this water start me, Benjamin. This water start me. I go over them.
Boy, my viewers and subscribers, I'm sorry. Anybody who thief them banana there, sorry for you. The man say, he might go Obeah there, he might chop down the stock, we go Obeah. Yo, I feel like a joke thing. Yeah, man, so farmer, I saw it go. You got the farmer them who work hard for them things and a plant, and you have the man them target the farmer them to want to take away them poultries and all of them things and dirt them to we not support that. See, so anyway, farmer, just farm again and plant again here, and they can't stop you, see? But the man cry, I say, Lord, banana. Jesus, peace. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, watch our next robbery. I took caught on camera. I'm part of Trinidad, a place called Woodbrook. So watch what I go on. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, brothers and sisters. This is in Trinidad, see? Yeah, me get the video sent. One of my brethren sent me the link from Trinidad. See me? Big up yourself, everyone. Yeah, man. So see the man in them yard that chill all our vibes. And this is in a place called Woodbrook. So anybody know Woodbrook, comment. You see the man jump over the wall, 2 man take off the rust. Now the queen first spot them. Yes, the next brother yeah, come over the wall in a pink top or a red top. I don't know. I don't know if this was a setup or was a natural robbery. But all me I say, you know, nobody can stay safe and peaceful in the yard anymore. And that goes to show you that it's not just Jamaica alone, things are going on. It's happening all over the world. So me I say, different parts of the Caribbean, America, England, the first world country, them, nobody no safe. You see me I say, my viewers and subscribers. So watch your brother stay far and a stretch. I take with the man them things. I don't know when I do to the restaurant the corner then at the green top. I don't know if a film place or what, but I even first spot them. You see me? Yeah, so you know, they can't trust nobody here, man. It can be a setup. A man at the yard set it up same way. These brothers they can be foreigners, you know. Me no know. Yeah, man, in these times they can't trust nobody here. I'm just glad that no one got hurt and the culprit them gone by them ways. You see it? Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on? In this time, I can't trust nobody. Big up my Trinidad and peeps, them, you know. One if I love, man, you see it? Run, big up yourself once more, give thanks for that video, yeah. But my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen line and lioness, brothers and sisters, when you see what I go on? And it does Jamaica alone, things are going on. It's just that Jamaica crime rate is on the rise and it's excel and propelled, you know. Yeah, but in Trinidad, people still get robbed. I don't know if these people are foreigners, because sometimes the foreigners them get targeted, you know. Yeah, man, I make a chill out in the yard, man. It can't be a setup. As I said, it can just be a natural robbery. You know, the take of them. So they are going to do it and plan it, you know, and take it. And you see me? But you don't know, you can't trust nobody. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Zine? Yes, man. Big up people that may work hard to feed them money, you know. And pray nobody. So I say, if you rob them off them things, you know, I have put no support that. Yes, man, I want to love me say I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.
Motherland, Africa is the motherland, Africa is the fatherland. Told the sailor, whoa, told the sailor, look more benala, told the sailor.
Watching? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.